central government, like for central GST, state GST, and interstate GST. 3 types of things we'll do here.
Okay. What are the three things doing here? Central,
Like
state, and
central, state, and interstate GST.
interstate. Okay.
The first one, create condition type in GST OBQ1 /n OBQ1, enter.
But we have specified, so currently we have specified we are paying GST to the government, right, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in that it will combine the state, central, and industrial. Everything is combined, right?
Yes, sir.
In 1%.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So here, click on new entries. Here, condition type is GIC. Here, this is input central GST. So here, condition class D for taxes, calculation type A percentage, condition category again D for tax, and here check item condition, enter and save. Already the same thing is exists, so I'll use default one. You need to create.
Okay. That condition type initially we have updated as GTC. Is this defaultly available, or we have created this condition type?
Defaultly available, sir. While we are doing in the real time, it will be available in the default.
Oh, okay.
Next, in the real time, we need to select this one, GIC, and we need to change whether any changes needed, we can change. Mostly in the real time, we will not have this one. Like changes which can be made, the item condition we have given, sir. This one, it will not be there. We need to select that one.
Okay, one day we need to select the condition type.
Yes, sir.
In real time.
Correct. So you'll note down, sir.
Yeah. What is that, ma'am? The topic, creation of condition type.
Creation of condition type in GST.
Okay, that tree code is?
OBQ1.
OBQ1. So new one, new entry. New entry. Condition type. Condition type, it's available. We need to select, right?
Yes, sir. In the real time, it is available, but here we need to create GIC.
GIC. Item is available. Demo will create okay, and then condition data. Condition data. Class D calculation type is here. Condition type. Condition category. Okay. Getter and save, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is for in real time. It will available. If you require any changes, we can do the changes in the control data. Correct?
Yes, sir. Correct. Sir, for our next thing, we need to create same like for state GST and central GST also we need to create.
In the
So
same
here
T
you
code.
can see. Yes, sir.
Using same T code, state and central we need to create.
This is for first we are doing for input GST. Next we need to create for output at central GST. Same we need to create output central GST, input state GST, output interstate and state GST. Clear,
So
sir?
okay, we need to create three input, central, state, and
Yes,
industry.
sir.
The output also we need to same three.
Same.
Okay, using these, so you follow these same steps.
Yes, sir.
And what is the condition type we need to select for each
All are same
parameter?
here.
Huh?
All same, sir. Here condition type
Condition type.
choice. For everything you need to write this one, sir. Like condition type, you please note down, sir.
Condition types for GST. GST. He said GIC.
Yes, sir.
He said GIC is for input central
Yes, sir.
GST. Correct, man? Input.
Correct, sir. So here, can you see this one, sir?
Yes, I can see.
Okay.
Central, input central. Set GIS. Okay, input state. State. Okay. Set GH. In industry, no, it's interstate, right? Interstate.
Yes, sir.
Interstate. Interstate. For output. Set GOC. So everything we are selecting the condition data are the same, right? Ma'am?
Yes,
Condition
sir. Same.
class is the
Same.
calculated type A, condition category D,
Yes, sir. All same.
all same. Okay.
Sir.
So in real time, these informations will be available only if we need any changes. We will do it in the condition data only.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct, sir.
Time. All input. Output. Condition type available. Available. Only we will do changes in condition data. Okay. Noted.
Okay. The next one, creating accounting key OBCN slash n OBCN. Enter. So here also same. Enter. New entries. Check IC. Description is input central GST. Tax type. Two for input tax. Posting indicator. Two for separate line item. Enter and save. Hello. Hello.
Okay. So I am. So I need. So I am doing. When I am doing the demo, right? In that time, if I updated or created means it will showing us already it exists, right? Because we are not giving any company codes or such kind of things, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Why? Because they're all for all companies taxes are same.
Hmm.
So for that purpose, the data will be same. So that's
Okay.
why here it is not asking any company code.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
While we are doing the taxes, there we can give our company code and enter the data, whatever the tax amount we have, that one.
Okay. Okay.
That one only, sir. Any doubt?
No. 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 Okay. The second. What is this topic name?
Create accounting key. Here we have given ZIC, no sir. That one is the key here. ZIC.
Okay. Okay. It's referring for center.
Ah, yes, sir.
Okay. Accounting key, right?
Ah, yes, sir. Accounting key.
The key. Uh,
T code OBCN.
OBCN.
N.
Okay. New entry process is that TC. Set input center GST. So the same way I need to update as
Ah,
ZTS.
ZIS. IS
ZIS.
state.
ZIS. Input state.
So here you can see.
Mhm.
I'll increase.
Okay, that is I. Okay, okay. ZI.
Sir, it's clear?
Ah, yes, it now it's clear. Is that I. So output also the same thing.
Ah, yes, sir. That is for ZOC,
Hmm.
ZOS and ZOI.
Z2C, Z2, yes, Z2I. Okay, after selecting the process, what option we need to select now?
Here, sir.
Ah,
So
description.
for in description, input central GST. In case output means output
Ah,
central GST. Here for type, 2 is for input tax and 1 is for output tax. We are doing for output tax, we need to select output tax.
oh, okay. All output tax one. Hmm.
Ah, enter
Description.
and save.
Tax type. Tax type 2 for input. Tax 1 for tax. The that posting indication you need to select this to for all.
Oh, it's a separate line.
Okay, okay. Noted.
Oh, okay, sir. So next one, define tax procedure OBQ3.
Okay.
Class N OBQ3. Here, select our company code S2, enter, select, double click on control. Here click on new entries. One second. Here click on new entries. So step 1, step 10. Here type base fee, base amount. Next 20, set GIC. This is for input central GST. Here from 10. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. The step 10, 20, 30. These are the information we will give, and we can save it.
Yes, sir.
But in this scenario, you have said this. Okay, this is specifically for company related thing. Okay,
Yes, sir. For the company.
okay, okay. So what is the topic on this one is?
Define tax procedure. OBQ3.
Where it's a new entry, right?
No, sir.
Hmm.
Need click on position. So here position or company code. Select.
Position.
Uh,
Where I need to select the
Going into
position.
OBQ3.
Okay.
Here position.
Oh, okay, okay.
Our company code is to enter. Here select our company code.
Position.
Then double click on control.
Okay. Position. Code. And click on controls. Controls. And update step. Then what is that second option? Second option after step, the
Which one?
reference step. Reference step overview.
Here step.
Yes, yes. Condition or what is that?
Here this one will counter.
Counter. Okay.
We are not
That count
giving that function.
0 only we update.
Automatically it will take 0.
Okay.
Just we need to give step. This one condition type, description, here from number and accounting key. That's it.
Condition type. Description. Accounting key. So in that steps 10, 20, 30, these are all, it's already available, or we will give the any numbers.
We'll give, sir. This one only, no, sir. You're asking step
Yes,
1.
yes, yes.
We need to give.
Okay. What is that? From represents, we update as 10 only for all.
Sir, it is like we can say normal numbers, sir. Just we need to identify for whenever we are giving percentages to identify that, sir. If we give or not, nothing will happen.
Okay, okay. State. Interstate. Okay, this information so it's available in the document, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Very
Oh, okay. I noted partially.
okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
So enter and save. Next one, assign tax procedure in company code.
Okay.
OBBG /n OBBG and here click on position country IN. Here tax procedure S2, enter and save.
Okay, now we assign the tax procedure.
Yes, sir.
What is that? Define
Assign tax procedure to company code.
company code. We can't new only, right? New entry.
And also position country. Select the country IN.
Position. Okay. Select the country. Currency. Sit. Country. Where procedure. Procedure as company code.
Yes, sir.
Enter and save.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Noted, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Next one, create tax code
Okay.
FTXP /n FTXP. Enter. Country IN. Here tax code I'm giving S1. Enter. So here we need to give the percentages.
Okay.
So just I'm maintaining. So I'll give 10% and 10%. Enter. So enter and save. Just here we are giving the percentages. Like in the real time also we need to do this one, sir. Whatever the percentages we need, we can do here.
Okay. So in all the parameters, input tax and output tax both, we need to update here.
Yes, sir.
But now we have updated only for two two only we updated percentage, ma'am.
What's
Real time also we need to update two.
no, sorry, sir, I'm not understand.
No, ma'am. Now we have updated two percentage we have updated here, right? I think
Ah,
in.
sir.
So we need to so remaining we remaining things we have put it as a blank.
Ah,
So we need to update our percentage. We need to update all the parameter, all the.
sir, 1 second, I'll show you. So this one I'm giving as T1, enter. Here T1 input as here text input central GST and state GST at the rate 20.
Okay.
Here tax type input tax, enter. Now here we need to maintain 12 and 12 or whatever the percentages we have we can enter. So all others will be in inactive.
Oh, okay.
We need the others. Suppose we are giving only for input central GST, the all will be in the inactive position. And in another step, if we need only output tax, output central GST, the remaining will be under inactive. Whatever needed will be in the active position, and whatever we did not want, they will be under inactive position.
Okay, based on this tax code we have selected earlier, based on that it will be freezed. So we have selected input central and state tax. That two options it's visible. Remaining things will be freezed.
Yes, sir.
Correct, ma'am? Okay.
Correct. So enter and save.
That tax code T1 we are selecting here, right? So this is D40 available or which we have created already.
No, sir, we can give whatever we want. Just for the identification, we are giving the here this one.
So here itself we can give.
Yes, sir. The next
Okay.
one I'm giving tax code as T2, enter. This one I'm giving only for input interstate GST. At the rate 20%. Here V for input tax, enter. Here only I am giving for input interstate GST. So I am giving 20%, enter and save. The next one I am giving for output central and state GST. This is for A, enter. Output central I am giving for 10%. State I am giving for 15%, enter and save. Next one T4. I am giving output interstate GST. So output interstate GST I am giving 15%, enter and save. So clear, sir?
Oh, 1 second, ma'am. So we have selected output center and state at 20% tax code. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the next screen, we have do the percentage. We have changed it, right? 10%, 10%, 10%, 15%. But that calculation will be happened based on this below percentage or that above 20%.
Based on the 10 and 15% only it will happen.
Okay. But here it's a mandatory one. We need to specify the percentage, 20%.
So here, just I'm giving for the demo purpose, no sir. Here,
Hmm.
whatever the percentage we have given, nothing, sir. Just in the real time, here I have given for 20%. In
Hmm.
the down also, both should be under 20% only.
Okay, tax code and the
Now,
in the next
that
inside the
and
tax
here
code
10 and
20.
10 should be same.
Okay, so I selected center GST. Center GST means one day I have selected center GST 20%. I mentioned means here also I will mention update as 20%.
Yes, sir.
If
Right.
I state and central means 20% I mention means 10% is central and 10% is state. That I
Ah,
need to update. Correct, ma'am?
yes, sir. Right.
Based
That,
on the tax code, how many percentage we have updated, that percentage we will be segregated in the next step.
yes, sir.
Correct, ma'am? Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Ah,
1 minute. I just note it down. Okay, tax code. So, what is the T code, ma'am?
T code FTXP. Create tax code.
Tell me the T code, ma'am.
FTXP.
FXP. Okay. Here, once we selected the T code, what the next step?
Here T1 or S1, whatever you need, you can use.
So we can give anything. Okay.
Anything you can do.
Hmm.
TT also it will accept. Any letters or anything it will accept.
Okay. Tax code.
Here in under tax code you need to mention input central and state GST at the rate 20%.
Hmm. Okay.
Here tax type V for input tax. Here
Okay.
enter. Here you need to give the percentages.
Okay. Okay.
Same for both, sir. I'll show you here.
Okay.
Sir,
So
you
so input we have three input we have three tax code we having. Right, ma'am? Or sorry, like central state and the interstate.
yes, sir.
If I'm giving the three in a single tax code means I need to mention in central
Three
state
names.
and
Ah,
interstate.
yes, sir.
Correct, ma'am? Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Tax code. Tax code. Numeric. Numeric and two, one, and then tax code description. Okay, ma'am. Enter input put central state interstate interstate percentage. Next, based on the tax code percentage percentage rule. Mhm. Great. Update percentage equally. Okay. So this will be the same step will be followed by each and every parameters.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, for example, in the state and the central, we have given it as 20%, or suppose if we are giving it as 25% means 12.5%, 12.5% we need to equally split. Correct,
Yes,
ma'am?
sir. Correct.
So what are the percentage we can get? That is equally we need to split it. Okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Noted.
So you noted down for all. Continue, sir.
No, continue, ma'am.
So next one, create GL accounts.
Hmm.
Like input central GST, state GST we have created now, sir. That taxes we need to create GL accounts.
Okay. FS00. That FS00 we need to. Okay.
Correct. Fashion, SS00. First one I am creating for. I think I have created. Sir, by mistakenly I have created for this company also. We will continue.
Okay.
Like input, all the taxes, input and output central GST, all taxes comes under liability.
Okay.
Here input tax, I'm selecting input central GST under control data. No, all. They're all same, sir. Here enter and save. Sir, you don't know how to create GL accounts.
Mm-hmm. So all the GST related tax we created in GL account in under liabilities.
Liabilities. Yes, sir.
Okay. So liability. So but earlier we have selected, we have created some tax percentages. In that time we have updated as input and output is bank right now. Main bank.
Yes, sir.
So earlier we have created the output and input taxes GL account.
Sir, yearly, yes.
For GST, you need to update it as a liabilities.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
all
so here you need to give, in control data, all three you need to give. Open item management, only balance in local currency, open item management, line item display. Three you need to mention.
usually balance sheet we will mention, will check, right?
Only some will mention.
Okay, okay. All history GL account. So here separately we will create, right? State, central, and
Sure.
interbank.
Separately.
So totally six GL account will created here.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Input account. Okay. Sale account. Filter. Liability. Need to get 6 to input output control control area all open item. What is that?
The control area, control data. We need to mention select only balance in local currency, open item management and line item display.
Select. Okay.
The next
Okay.
one, sir. Continue, sir.
Yeah.
The next one, assign GL accounts to accounting key. OB40 /n OB40. Enter. So here select ZIC input central GST, maintain chart of accounts, enter. Select tax code, click on save. Here tax code we have given T1. Here GL account. Input central GST, enter and save. Next pack. Input state GST. Next. Tax code T2. Here input state GS account. Next pack. ZII. T3 account. And save. Next pack. Same for output also. Output center. Next output state T5. Output state GST. Next batch output interstate T6 output interstate and save. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, so we have already created the
GL accounts, we are just assigning for the tax codes.
tax codes. Okay. Which GL, sorry, which T code, ma'am? This one is
Assign GL account to accounting key OB40.
the OB40. There we need to select the
Our codes ZIC, ZII, we have created before.
okay, we have selected the 6 codes, input and output, GST and once selected, we need to check box the tax code, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Check the tax code.
Check the tax code. And update the company any code. Update the select the GL code.
Yes, sir.
Select the GL code. Enter and save. Okay. So not enough.
Oh. Next one, post vendor invoice. Post vendor invoice FB60 /n FB60 select vendor, date, amount I am doing 15,000, check tax code, so 30,000 is there, so I will give 30,000 here. So here I am selecting input central and state GST. This one vendor invoice. I am giving for material expense. Enter. So here in the real time automatically the balance will come. So demo purpose we need to do this.
Okay.
Okay, document stimulate. And then, so now document stimulate.
For WST also you said something you need to check and confirm.
Ah,
TDS.
okay, I have entered. Sir, you can see. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sir, now you can see the taxes. Like I have given like 15,000. So it was divided into input central GST, state GST and TDS.
Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay.
So that's it about GST.
Oh, okay.
You understood, sir, any doubt?
No, ma'am, I understood. So here, normal tax also, sorry, WST also it's detected. Tax.
Taxes also it was deducted. GST and both all the taxes was deducted.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Tomorrow we'll start new topic.
Okay. I am on out.
That's
In FP60, while we selecting right, in that time, the calculated tax we have checked. After that, we selected the which tax we need to select it. We need to select it.
yes, sir. Whatever
Correct.
what tax we need to select there.
We need to select it.
Here.
Okay. Um,
If we need input tax, we can select input tax.
no, no, no. Import and central and state tax we have selected. That TDS, it's okay. Already we have
Medical was deducted.
no, no. TDS, it's
LCP,
already we have assigned that in the vendor.
yes,
Correct, ma'am? So
correct.
so that's the reason it was deducted.
It's,
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
okay. Thank you,
Mhm.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks, ma'am.